Hi guys. After a long time interacting back with you, hope you will be fine and doing your well and best. So, respected guys, today I have a lot of good advices for you and for me as well. If you make someone's living difficult, the sky holder will make your death difficult, and that will be the fruit of the karma. Karma is so powerful. I believe on it so much, and because the universe works on its own. You feed good, you'll be feeded well. You feed bad, you'll be feeded bad. For each and everything, our deeds and our intentions matters a lot. Another thing which encounters in our lives, maximum with people, is about the defame which people do with you. If you're a working guy, if you're doing something hard work, and if you're doing something for your livelihood, for your livelihood, and any person is making you demoralized in front of the public eye or in front of the people or masses' eye, so you must remember one thing, that conversation will not be accepted by the rest of the world, because that person who is sabotaging your personality, that person who is making you notorious in front of the public, is not having any other work except backbiting, except demoralizing, and except teasing and taunting you. So when second the people who are defaming your goodwill, never ever worry about them, because people know that you're working. If you're working, means you're flowing river and you're transparent and there's no stink in you. That's I'm trying to tell you, that flowing river is never ever stinky. Because those people's contribution in society is not even a single penny. They didn't contribute in this world. So when they defame you, don't worry about them, because people know about their real condition and their value. People know that their contribution is zero is a big thing, but that's minus. It comes in minus. When a person's contribution and work is nil or minus in this society, so people will never accept his conversation, because people listen to those who did huge contributions in his or her life. I hope this conversation will just soothe your soul. It will be ointment on your wounds, because you must take out yourself from that dogmatic world where people are just giving their opinion is a top priority, and other people's opinion they are just putting aside. So don't worry about that, because the right time will show them, will show the world the real value of yours. Okay? Yeah. One of my students asked me that when the people are doing some good deeds, good job, they are loyal, they have a lot of good intentions in their mind, their heart for the rest of the world people, that why they have tough time and why the God snatches maximum things from them. The answer of this question is very simple. When God snatches something from you, He's giving you bigger than, higher than, greater than previous. For example, if I have something in my hand, for example, I have to give the example of this mobile. If I hold this mobile, if I have this mobile in my hand, I have no capacity to hold any other thing in my hands. So if I will leave, obviously, I have capacity to hold something greater or big. So that's why the God snatches things from your hand in order to give you something gigantic, something large, something big, which is bigger than your imaginations. So have faith on God and leave the rest of the things on God. He will show you the right path. Remember it. Another misconception spread by some motivational speaker and some inspiration personality, so-called, you're saying that money is everything. If money is everything, why most of the richest people on the planet are in sad mood? They are in troubles, they are in bad diseases, and they are suffered from the depression, anxiety, and tension, all these kind of things. So why they have such kind of things? It's a wrong concept that money is everything. This is self-created concept of so-called some rich people. My thinking says that any materialistic thing, any material cannot make you happy. For example, you think that if I get this mobile, I'll be happy. No. After achieving this mobile, after achieving your car, bungalow, money, a lot of success, you will not have any kind of the peace in your heart. Because these are unlimited desires. After accomplishing one desire, other desires are opening in front of you. Other desires are coming in front of you. And you're accomplishing throughout your life. And you're running in a non-stop marathon race and not knowing that you are tired of this circus of life, but you are doing again and again, and you're not getting even peace of heart. The peace of heart is basically not in material world, not in material things, not in materialistic things. It comes to search within yourself. You're searching outside. Our eyes are gazing everywhere, from east, west, north, south, upper, lower, everywhere, every direction. We are just gazing and having staring eyes to everything and just trying to grab it like monkey. It's not like to grabbing each and everything, to achieving each and everything. You have to work within yourself, within your soul, within your heart, within your brain. Instead of working outside the world, you have to work inner of your world. The inner world of yourself is more important. The peace lies inside of your heart, inside of your soul. So you have to just gaze inside of your own personality. Then you will become happy. As far as the real peace of heart is concerned, according to my experience and according to my insufficient knowledge, I think that it's in the serving to others. When you serve other guys, it gives you a lot of relaxation and peace of heart. Because when you will be kind towards the world, the kindness of God will be revealed on you. I hope your intuitions will show all these things to you. Because when you're serving and when you have this strong relation and connection with God Almighty, because God is already giving us, not getting from us. And if you achieve the quality of giving instead of the getting, so you just connect yourself with the God quality. And once you connect yourself with the God quality, it means that God connection will be tight with you, and you will be automatically full yourself with the ecstasy, with unlimited tranquility. You will feel yourself that I'm out of this world. You feel yourself that I'm flying over the moon. I'm flying on the sky. Your example will be just like a newborn baby who has no tension, no frustration, innocence you will achieve. And your aura will be enlightened too much. And your spirituality will appeal to the people. You will sit in a room, so your presence will attract many people. Although you will never speak even a single word from your mouth, but the people will imagine that there's someone who's sitting has a light within himself or herself. So that's why achieve these kind of qualities. And I guarantee you that you will see the miracles in your life. Never expect from the people, never expect from the society, never expect from the other things. Expect only from the God. Because when He gives something to you, He doesn't tell that I have given this thing or blah, 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 blah things to you. When you get help from the people's side for a whole life, they will give you even a single penny and will remind you forever and ever. Because their condition, their value is just like a penny. That's why they will talk about pennies. Because they are like pennies. They have no value. But if a person who has given unlimited, more than his or her capacity to others, will never tell that I've given this to you, others. Because this is not mine. This is not mine. A money which I earn is not mine. Respect is not mine. Dignity I have owned originally is not mine. Or anything which you achieve in this world, maximum the people just think that we have done this. No, it's not yours. It's not mine. It's already given by God. He can give you, He can take away from you. So always remember that this is your exam. He gives you and see that what is the attitude of His human being, mankind, His creation, how He reacts. He snatches, and then He also sees how He reacts. But in both conditions, if you are bowing your head in front of the God and you accept that He is the creator of all this world and universe, and you have blind faith on Him, so He will be happy from you. So remember, anything which you achieve in this world is not yours. If you give money, if you give help, if you give wealth, if you give some social work or social welfare for the poor people, for the deprived, destitute people, it's not yours. He's giving you, and you're giving His things to other people. Like this is a treasure. Once again, I want to tell you, it's a treasure. It's not mine. God has given this treasure to me. Maybe it's the knowledge, maybe it's wealth, maybe it's about success or achievement or anything. So when I'm giving the part of it to others, it means it's not mine. It's given by God. So I cannot blame that I have given this to others. This is my responsibility, it's my obligation, it's my work, it's my duty. I have to give. Because if I give, He will give me some new things, new version. Like book additions, simply we see about the book number 5, book number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are different editions are coming. If you keep your one edition all the time with you, you will not find another edition of that book. So it means you have to give, you have the value. If you give it to others, so you have some mind to bring the new editions for others. If I have a glass of water and if I transfer that glass of water to a thirsty person, so I will have the new water capacity. Otherwise, this water will, stinky water, means it will be useless because no one is drinking it. So if you want a new version of knowledge, of wealth, of health, anything, you have to give it, to contribute it to the people, to the public, to the masses, to the creation of God, because He will make you new. He will renew you like a fresh river, like a fresh water, that the water is flowing, the river is flowing, because it's coming fresh. Old is going, new is coming. Old is going, new is coming. It's processing. When you are in process, you will be never filthy. You will be always transparent. So this entire world is in process. It's revolving. Entire universe is revolving, means it's renewing itself. If it will stop, it will be just collapse with each other, and it will be just like a blast, a big bang. And before ending this conversation, final words. I spent my maximum life without money, without people. And that's why I know the real value, the real condition of the money and people. Remember it. May God bless all of you with a lot of love, success, happiness, joy, livelihood, livelihood, and may you always be safe from any kind of the bad disease, any kind of the weaknesses, internal, external, and may God give you unlimited peace of heart. This prayer is for those who deserve people. Thank you very much. Thank you very much once again tolerating me. Have a nice day. Till then, see ya. Bye-bye. I love you.